welcome back to Tati TV. As you can see, I have been challenged. But before we get into that, if you're new to the family, hey. And if you've been rocking with me, you already know what's up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get back into this. So I was watching Yaki Snacks or Yaki Snacky, please don't be mad if I get your name wrong. And she was doing this challenge, and I was like, that's interesting. Pickles and whipped cream. So as I was watching the video, she was letting me know that she was tagged by Tasty Mukbang Eats. So Yaki tagged me. So here I am. As you know, I've already had the hot Cheeto cheesecake. So I was like, this is probably a piece of cake. I used Cool Whip instead of Ready Whip because I'm not a Ready Whip fan. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to get right into this. Booyah. I love pickles. Look at me. That was so ratchet. Okay, one more time. Okay, for real. And I got slices instead of whole pickles because sometimes it's harder for me to bite with my braces. Look. Okay, I also have a knife because what I'm going to do is, since I don't have the Ready Whip, I'm just going to kind of spread it on the pickle like a sandwich. Yeah. So while I do that, I'm just going to ask you guys how your day was. Look at me dripping stuff all over the place. Getting it all over my nails and stuff. I wonder, should I... Ooh, look, the pickle juice is dripping in my Cool Whip. I wonder, should I do it kind of like a sandwich? I know. Hold on. I know I'm being a little ghetto, y'all. Hold on. I don't want the pickle juice to drip on me because I'm going to the gym after I leave here. Just want to put a little napkin over my waist. Okay, so I have got my pickle and Cool Whip sandwich. Let's do it. This is not enough. I need some more. Oh. I almost like it, but then I almost don't like it. It's like I like it, but my brain is trying to say, Tatiana, you're not even supposed to be eating this. But I just love Cool Whip, so it's just like... I don't know if I can do the whole job, but... It's kind of like the more you eat it, the more your taste buds adjust. So, I think the secret is out. I think I might like this. Oh, and also I just saw She Grubs Would Love do this, and she said, this ain't even gonna be a long video. Sis said she ain't gonna be able to do it. But when you pile the whipped cream up on you like this, I'm telling you to do anything. Praise God for my weird ass taste buds. Oh, did I cuss? I be trying not to cuss. It slipped out. I'm almost really kind of feeling this. This makes no sense at all. somebody that I personally know gonna look at this video and swear up and down I'm pregnant. But guess what? Before you even get to thinking that, no ma'am. Gotta get the baby that I got across that stage first. Mm. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got like 8 pieces left. And I got a spoon. Now that move, the little mix, that was a little nasty. The juice with the Cool Whip mixed in, but the pickle, the crunch with the sweet with the salty, I think it's probably like the vinegary or the briny taste from the juice, which is why the juice and the Cool Whip didn't do it for me together. Oh my God. Now, where was them burps for the no burp challenge? Wait a minute. I wasn't really even supposed to have the burp for the no burp challenge. So I guess the burps coming up right now. Yeah. I'm weird, I know it. I'm so ashamed of myself right now, y'all. I'm so ashamed that I even like this. Like, yeah. Jesus. Lord. Oh, I don't know if you guys know, but it is National Mental Health Month. The month of May is, so I'll probably be talking about mental health in some more of my videos and maybe just touching base on some things, you know, that I can admit that, you know, have affected my mental health, and, you know, what are some of the things that I do to cope, or what did I do to cope, and, you know, how am I coping with it right now, because there are still some things that I'm dealing with, you know. And for one, I just want to let a lot of people know, like, never be embarrassed to admit that, you know, you can pinpoint things that are not healthy for your mental health. And for a long time, I was in denial about that. But I can trigger, you know, oh, this is not good for my mind, my mental health. I don't need to do that. But there are some triggers like loss, death, childhood traumas, like little things like that, that still as an adult sometimes can seem to creep up and affect my mental health. So I will definitely be touching more bases on that in future videos. I just wasn't sure if this video was going to be a long enough video for me to really like bring up a topic and really discuss it in full. Oh my God. I think the vinegar or whatever that is that they brine the pickles in, I think that's what's... Oh my God, that is so unladylike. I'm sorry for those of y'all who don't like the burps, and you're welcome to the ones that do. Oh. Yeah, I done almost ate this whole little jar of pickles, and I'm so ashamed. I'm so ashamed. I'm eating like a pregnant lady that ain't pregnant. How many pieces is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I probably wasn't supposed to do that. My bad. I'm gonna do another little sandwich deal for you. What's love got to do with it? What's Cool Whip on a plastic sandwich stuff or pickle? Look at it, y'all. I'm sick of myself. I'm sick of myself. I am. And I said this was going to be my last 2 pieces. I wanted to at least say 4 pieces of the pickles in there. Because when I bought them, I had no plans on eating that many. And I am about to go to the gym and I don't want to make myself full and talk myself out of the gym. I'm taking a couple more bites. I gotta go out with a bang. Gotta have the monster ball bites. Okay. Oh. Well, you guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching me attack this challenge. I thought that it was going to be a lot worse than what it was, but it actually was not. So, I love you guys. Can't wait to see you in the next video. And like I always say, my Tati tidbit of the day, if you woke up this morning and put your feet on the ground, the devil had an attitude, but God had a plan. Love you. Bye.